Here are 10 herbal beauty facts so wild they sound fake but aren't. Number 1. Rosemary has been used for centuries to support fuller-looking hair, and modern studies suggest rosemary oil may help improve scalp circulation, which is why it keeps showing up in hair growth routines. Number 2. Turmeric is basically nature's golden highlighter. It contains curcumin, a powerful antioxidant, and in many beauty traditions, it's used to calm the look of redness and brighten dull skin. Just don't smear it on before a white pillowcase, unless you enjoy regret. Number 3. Aloe vera is not just that plant for sunburn. The gel inside the leaves is packed with water, vitamins, and soothing compounds, which is why it can make irritated skin feel instantly less dramatic. Number 4. Green tea can help your face look less puffy. It contains caffeine and antioxidants, so chilled green tea bags over the eyes are not just a spa cliché, they can actually help temporarily tighten and refresh the under-eye area. Number 5. Hibiscus is sometimes called the Botox plant in herbal beauty circles, not because it works like injections, but because it contains natural acids that gently exfoliate, helping skin look smoother and more polished. Number 6. Neem is a legendary skin herb in Ayurveda, especially for oily or blemish-prone skin. It has a strong smell, yes, but beauty history did not care about being cute. It cared about results. Number 7. Chamomile can calm more than your mood. It's often used in skincare for sensitive-looking skin, and chamomile rinses have also been used to bring out golden tones in lighter hair. Number 8. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a vitamin C powerhouse. In hair care, it's traditionally used to support shine, strength, and a healthier-looking scalp, which explains why amla oil has survived generations of beauty trends. Number 9. Rose water is older than most beauty brands you see online. It has been used for centuries as a refreshing facial mist, and its gentle scent made it a favorite long before self-care became a hashtag. Number 10. Licorice root is not just candy flavor. In skincare, it's known for helping improve the appearance of uneven tone, which is why it appears in brightening formulas that try to be gentler than harsh treatments. The wild part is that so many of these herbal beauty secrets were being used long before labs, labels, and influencer routines. Nature was basically running the original beauty counter, and people were paying attention.